If one glasses of lemonade could turn a sad summer day into the happiest day ever. Welcome back to our channel's Love Art and Sketches. This is our summer vacations drawing series day 8. So today we are drawing a cool and refreshing lemonade glass. And also I will tell you a fun story while we draw. One very hot summer afternoon, a little boy named Ryan was feeling tired and upset. He wanted to play outside, but the weather was too hot. Even his favorite game didn't make him smile. Ryan sat near the window and sighed, "This is the worst summer day ever." Just then, his grandmother came into the room carrying a bright yellow lemonade glass. Tiny ice cubes clinked inside, and the lemon ice looked like a smiling sun. She handed to Ryan and said, "Sometimes little things can make a big difference." Ryan took up one sip. Wow, it was cool, sweet, and refreshing. Suddenly, he felt happy and full of energy again. He smiled and said, "Maybe summer is not bad after all." Then Ryan got an idea. He made more lemonade and shared with his friend and neighbors. Everyone laughed, talked, and enjoyed the sunny day together. And Ryan learned something important. When you share kindness, happiness grow bigger and bigger. Now it's your turn. Let's draw this cheerful lemonade glass together. I hope you enjoyed this cool summer story. All the drawing steps are in the descriptions below. Check it out and share your drawing in the comments box. Hope you like and share. Hope you like this. So don't forget to like, share and comments our drawing, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.